Hi everyone, welcome back to Ashley's Kitchen. Today we are making a super soft and comforting home-style dish, tofu and egg stir-fry stew. It's silky, delicate, and extremely tender, almost melts in your mouth. Let's start with the prep. Take a block of tofu and cut it into small cubes. Chop a couple of small scallions into fine pieces. Then crack 2 eggs into a bowl and beat them well. Now everything is ready, let's start cooking. Bring a wok of water to a boil. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. Then gently blanch the tofu. Once the water comes back to a boil, transfer the tofu to a bowl along with the cooking water. Now heat oil in the wok. Pour in the beaten eggs and stir continuously while cooking. Now add 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce to release aroma in the wok. Add half a teaspoon of Chinese 5 spice powder. Then pour in about 300 milliliters of water. Bring it to a boil. Add the tofu back into the wok. Season with 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon chicken powder. Gently stir everything together. Cover with a lid and let it simmer on low heat for about 2 to 3 minutes. Now slowly add cornstarch slurry in small batch to thicken the sauce. Sprinkle in the chopped scallions. Let it simmer briefly until the scallion aroma comes out. Then it's ready to serve. Let's plate it up. Look at this tofu, so soft and silky. It's perfect with a bowl of rice. Let me try it first. Wow, this is incredibly fragrant and tender. Even someone without teeth could eat this easily. You should definitely try this at home. Thanks for watching. See you next time.